Okay, we've got this, the eyes drilled out. We stayed within our lines here. So we've taken that out, and you can see we've taken a lot out back here so the eyeball will sit down inside. So we got this acrylic eyes that we're going to use, and they're 1 inch. So what you do is you set that in there, and then if you hold it above your head, you can check your alignment and stuff on it. You can see the eye is going to fit. It comes out some, which is what we want. So we're in good shape there. So we'll stop with that right now. And this part is all done. So our next part, well, if you notice we've taken out, you can see we've got this all taken out in here and down through here. So our spring's not going to catch on our wood when we work on that. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. We have our packet of all our goodies that we're going to need for the inside. So we're going to take one of these. This is a 7/8 inch eye hook here, or hook. This is what our spring's going to catch to on here. So this is going to get screwed in here. So I'll go ahead and put this in now. Once you put your neck pieces in, then it's a little bit harder to put that in. So it's easier to put this in before you get your neck pieces put in. Punch a little hole here to start it. Put this in. But once you get your eyes and stuff done, and you're done carving out the inside, then you can put this hook in. You don't want to do it beforehand, or you might catch it on your Dremel or whatever. And I made me a little thing here so I can screw this in. Now we got our hook there set aside. So when we come back, we're going to be working on the mouth part. I did cut these teeth down a little bit so they're not quite so long. So we have to notch out inside here, along in here, then we have to take some off back in here. We have to take this, cut this piece off so we will fit up over top our teeth. So we're going to work on this, and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.